Hey guys, my name's Eliza and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator and I'm with Ethan. He's also doing a video.
Hi.
Yep, so yeah, he's gonna start his video soon. Wait, maybe Lazen made more gifts? I literally just collected gifts and he's making more. I'm actually getting quite laggy.
Really talk, by the way, guys, because I just had surgery on my tooth, so yeah.
Yeah. But I'm gonna be doing the new code that that came out as soon as I left for camp, because I've been at camp for 3 days, and of course a code comes
same.
out. Yeah, because we're in the same class. Yeah. So yay, the code came out as soon as I left. So I'll be doing that, and I'll probably be doing the Beans Becoming quest. So yeah.
Okay.
32 royal jellies. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to the pineapple patch and
I'll start in a minute, okay?
oh, okay. Okay, so I've already done Tunnel Bear, I've already done King Beetle. How much left on my stumps now? 17 million. Okay. So, are we ready, guys, for the new code? It is called Pineapple Party and redeem. 15 pineapples, 1 tropical drink, capacity code for 2 hours, no, 2 days, I mean. And then lots of things for the pineapple patch, which I'm gonna grind.
And I just did it too.
Okay. You did it before starting your video?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just tell them.
Yep. So I'm just going to be getting a lot of white pollen from this field is the reason why I'm doing it. What? Oh my god, I wish I could just stay in here for ages. I actually can, but my backpack goes up to 158 million.
And my backpack goes up to 750,000.
Okay. So I'm going to be doing the pineapple patch, and then after that I'm going to have to go up to the stump field to finally do my stump badge past ace to master. Yeah. So I'll see you guys soon.
Now.
Okay. See you guys soon.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so Ethan has decided not to make a video at the moment for things related to Instagram and why it's not working and stuff. And I'm close to finishing all my white pollen, which is good. And my backpack is hardly filled up at all. It's very low.
Yeah. I'm just gonna be on my MFY account, by the way. The people on my
yeah, he's just gonna be on Inverboy.
This is my non-YouTube account.
Yeah. Oh, there's sparkles in the pineapple patch from the face. I only need 10 more million. Okay, is there any quests that I actually need pineapple patch?
Hi.
No, I don't. Yeah? Gifts.
Let me see you get in.
What did you say? What did you say?
unless you can get back in to my own boy account.
Okay, that's fine. I might start doing some... Oh, yay, my backpack's full. I might start doing some up there soon. In the stump field. I should check. I'm gonna see you guys soon, and I'll check what I need for my next quest. Okay guys, I am back, and yeah, I do need pineapple patch pollen for the next Spirit Bear quest, so I'll quickly just do the stump field right now, and then I'll be able to do all my pineapples parties. So yeah, Ethan's also just right here.
2 field dice. All 3 raw jellies.
Yay. Do you have a level 10? Yes you do, and it's... Do you have 2 level 10s? No. You should get another level 10. I'm gonna check on mine.
I'm not trying on that, I'm trying to get
Okay.
other stuff in life.
I'm gonna check on mine.
So while I'm crafting, oh yay, 1 enzyme.
I'll check on the lowest ones first. Oh, I mean, like, on the ones all the way at the down at the bottom of my hive. I'm not gonna check on my level 6 and be like, are you gonna try for level 10?
Pineapple party on In The Boy.
Okay. Oh, okay, Brave Bee. Brave Bee, you need leveled up. You're super close. What does Brave Bee like? Pineapples. How many pineapples do I have? Oh, yay, I only have 54 pineapples. And that hardly did anything. 146 treats. That hardly did anything either. Yay. Oh, Brave Bee's so close. I'll try some moon charms. Yes! Ethan!
Let's go test my luck.
My 3rd level 10. In 3, 2, 1. Boom! Level up to level 10 for Brave Bee.
Yay! Guess what?
What?
I get 3 times wins for Dandelion. Okay, let's try my luck at the field. No, not the field dice, sorry. The field boost. Dandelion times 3.
Yay!
Could I be any luckier?
No.
Whoa!
I'm gonna just quickly go and
I've got
do this.
135 million capacity in pineapple.
Yeah, I have like 150 something or whatever. Wait, I'll check.
I'm still the memory matches, I don't know why.
158, actually. What do you have?
135.
Okay, yeah, I've got 158. So I'm just gonna quickly do stump field pollen, and I'll be back soon. Okay guys, so I checked on the wiki, and glue is what I have to donate to get my stump badge to shiver. I've got 100 and where is it? 119, but I really want to save up for the stupid boots or the stupid hat. But I'll just donate like some, not too many though. Hello, Spirit Bear, you will be done soon. Unless it takes ages to finish it. Inspect Twin Trine. Glue. Oh, wait, past it. Glue. I'm gonna donate 33.
Okay.
So I'm now down to 86. No, it didn't shiver. No, it's just honey. I don't want honey. No. I just wasted so many glues. That's now why I'm gonna go to the other place now. And get some glue back. We're doing other ones that are closer than Stump. 213. 185, 86. No. None of them are closer. I'm halfway done to Grandmaster. Wow. The best one of them all, Ethan. How close are you to Honey Badge Grandmaster?
6 mil.
I've done 10 mil out of 20 mil.
I mean 6 mil.
Bell, yeah.
800. Yeah.
Yeah.
6 mil. And 805 million.
Okay. I've done 10 bill, 0, 30, 499, 14. So, back to the Stumpy. Gifted Vicious Bee is at the mountaintop. I'm going there. Are you going there, Ethan? Oh, okay. I'm only going there for the stingers. I can't really hear you at all now, Ethan. I can... Okay. I just barely heard that.
I'm only playing Beeswarm because you want to. I'm not actually really into Beeswarm until probably the next update.
Yeah, I know. You keep telling me that.
What?
I know. You keep telling me that.
Imagine next update, it's like 5 of the code. You get 5 honey. How great's that?
Yay.
And that's all I waited for.
Yep.
See, that's why I was so excited
Yes.
to be into bee swarming.
12 stingers plus 5 stingers.
Yeah. And 4.6 mil.
I got 340,000. But that's really just because I jumped in the field then flew straight out of it. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video for a bit. Okay, Ethan left and for some reason he just doesn't really want to play with me at the moment, so yeah, I'm just gonna do some jelly beans because I feel like it. I want to get most of them though. They are mine. And I need them more. There. So yeah, just working on Stump Badge. Any other boosts I can use? Not really. I'll put down a magic bean. Oh, as soon as I get a tornado. So yeah. No, my backpack space went down. This is still for 4 more hours and this is for 2 days. So yeah. Now if I step in there, it's only gonna go to 29 million. Oh, that's really bad. I was 156, which was amazing. How much does capacity do? Oh, it only does times 2. Yeah. So, I'm also down to 16,884,000. It's actually going down quite quick at the moment. If you just watch it. Might be because I just got another level 10, which is really good. It helped a lot. So now I've got 3 level 10s. So yeah. Do another one of these, which is good. Get some jelly beans. Activated. Activate the jelly beans. White, red, blue. No, that one disappeared. Well, I didn't even get any blue. I got teal, green, red, and white. And I didn't get the shearing buff either because the other guy's gone. I'm going to use a coconut because I can. Just to empty a bit of my backpack, which is nice. And because I actually haven't used one in ages and I just got 1 million from it, which is nice. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm super close to finishing it, and also my stumps now has gone down a decent amount. It's at 16,300,000. So yeah. 5 more million and then I'm done with my stump badge. Which I really want to finish. So I can get on to the pineapple patch over there. Okay, stump badge, super close to finishing. $4 million more now. There's not really anything else I can use. I don't really want to use any more jelly beans. And there's only 4 more million left anyways. Not even that. About to be 3 million more. What about if I quickly jump out of the field and then jump back in with that? How if the stumps now is further away, you can quickly get stuff in with your bees. Some abilities. Yes, that's good. Okay, oh, I've also got a bear buff. And a tornado. So, 2 million more. 2 million. Just 2 million more and then I'll finally have enough. About to be 1 million more. So I did 1 million in one full circle. Well, basically 1 million in one full circle. So if I let him leave again, and then go back in. Yes, that's good. Close. And I'm also about to go to 15 million on my stump snail. 500,000 more. So close. Come on, you can do it, bees. Oh, no, it's not even the bees that are doing it. It's my wand. You can do it, wand. And done. Completed. Finally. I'm gonna I'm gonna press it to collect when I'm over at the Spirit Bear, because then there'll be the exclamation mark that will pop up just as I do it, which will be nice. Oh, laser. I'll say yeah. Yeah. Hi. Don't exactly know who he is. He might be one of my viewers. I don't know. He might just be this random person. Do you have honey mask? No, I have bubble. Yeah. I'm trying to get diamond soon. Yeah, I guess I could. I just don't really want to at the moment. I just can't be bothered to. But 3, 2, 1, boom. Yes. Talk to Spirit Bear. Yawn. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I didn't order any night bells. You won't get a drop of honey from me. Oh, there you are, dear. ... Do you ever feel sometimes like someone is watching us? I'm not talking about the great honey bear in the sky. No, sometimes it's like you're right up on stage, even though you're just doing dishes. It could be anything, though. I feel that way often, and I just shrug it off. But maybe someone is watching us. She glances over at the wind shrine. Well, someone is watching us, but I'm not talking about you. Is it them out there, not playing but watching? I see you people out there, watching others play, doing all the beekeeping for you. That's right, you can't hide from Spirit Bear. I have eyes everywhere. Every tree and cloud. You can't prove that I don't. So just know that while you're watching me on your tablet or what have you, I'm watching you with my quest menu. You can't prove that I'm not. I want to get that. Okay. She leans in and whispers to you. I don't have eyes I don't have eyes anywhere, but they don't know that. Anyways, what was it that you needed, dear? You finished that quest already. Which quest? This quest? Beans Becoming? Are you sure? That one takes some time now. Oh, you did. Well then, 8 more and you'll earn the next spirit pedal. She looks up in the sky. Now, I'll just be over here taking my nap, not doing anything suspicious. No reason to watch me anymore. Definitely not over some online video sharing or streaming services. No, nothing to see here. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're there, though. Okay, 100 million, 2 glitters, 30 moon charms, 250 gumdrops is good. 5 microconverters, 500 pineapples, 140 royal jellies. I think that's everything. So now I'm going to collect the next quest, which is, do you believe in magic? Magic, a loaded word, almost taboo. Magic, in this day and age, only a fool would believe in magic, that's what they all say. Well then, call me a fool, because I believe I know. She digs through her petal bag. Yay, my recording stopped and then I got disconnected. Hopefully I haven't got the quest and I actually can talk to her still. Yeah, so it paused like at the she digs through a petal belt part, but I saw it was like glitter. What's so special about glitter? And then I had to try and fix the recording, but when I did, I came back and it said I was disconnected. So yeah, I'll just skip up to where we were at, which wasn't really that far anyways. Hello Spirit Bear, don't leave me again. Please don't leave me. Yeah, okay, okay, yeah, and then glitter. How does it work? Do you know? She tosses the glitter into the air. Nobody knows. Nobody, but I know. Hehehe. I know, and I can tell you if you want. I don't have to tell you, but I can if you like. She leans over to you and very quietly. Magic. Ha, you saw that coming. Open your eyes, fool. It's everywhere. Magic is what magic does. This world, it's magic. Yes, this world. Look around. All these things, that special sprout summoner over there. How does it work? Yes, very true. There are scripts involved. They're machines. They've got mechanics. But that's not how they work. You've got it backwards. That's why they work. But how? Magic. But Spirit Bear, you're confused. Pfft, that's what they've always said. And that's what I always say back. Pfft, just like that. No. Oh, okay. Nothing you see can be seen through being comprehended, you see. That's not how things become things. No, no. To comprehend is to forget. You can't investigate magic. Goodness no. It'll slip right through your fingers. Don't grasp it. Behold it. Bees hold it. Don't you, bees? She smiles at your bees. You guys are just covered in glitter. What a mess. Not my mess. Have fun with that, beekeeper. Hehe. Now go out there and try your best. To do what? Really, dear? Have you been listening to me at all? What's it matter? Just get out there and behold the magic. Bask and behold in the mystic moonlight of this magical mountain. Spirit Bear summon nighttime because I did the quest. That's amazing. And do you believe in magic? Okay, I'm just going to do the easy parts right now, like use the Honeystorm, use the Sprout Summoner, because I can do that. I also have to donate 10 blue extracts, which can easily be done. Moon Sprout, that's fine. And I'll just do the other parts later. I'm just going to focus on the pineapple part, because I've got boosts for pineapple, and it's gonna be a pineapple party, a pineapple party. Okay. Spirit Bear summon nighttime, that's amazing that she can do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this for a while. See you guys soon. Yes, I got Pineapple Patch ×2, and is this a ghost token? I've just been watching this for a while. Yep, it's a ghost token. That doesn't matter because yes, I've got some Pineapple Patch boosts, and if I step in the field, it goes to how much? 29 million. Okay, nearly 30 million. So yeah. Gonna get all of these, and no, I need this. Yeah. Okay. 3.8 million done. 4 million now done. Okay, so I'm going to do 20 blue extracts for the wind shrine because I need, no, 10, sorry, not 20, just 10, because I need to do that for my quest. So yeah, I've got a big container though, huge. Yeah, go up. Yeah. Yeah, use my blue boost thing as soon as I'm not even in the field. And even if I was in the blue field, it wouldn't really help since it's a, I mean, even if I was in this field, it wouldn't help since it's a red field and I was using blue thing. 12 minutes. Yay. I'll probably just do the honey storm and I'll do the moon amulet generator as well. I haven't used that in ages because it doesn't go up in capacity after the one that I've got. But I'll just use it because I can. I think I'm just gonna, I'll just keep my old one, but I used it, so that should count. Yes, it does. And also use the honey storm, honey storm, honey storm. So, as well as using, let's just say that I've used my blue extracts, donated them, which would mean that I just have sparkles. Goo, a lot of goo. Pineapple patch pollen, pine tree pollen, white pollen, and then one more master badge, which is absolutely fine. But I think I'm going to end the video soon. Why is my jump? Wait, did my jump boots go down? No, I feel like I'm jumping the same. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna fill up my backpack some more, up to where it can go up to, which is 9 million more. So I'll do that. Oh, and I've also got the sprout done. Oh, I just did 2 million basically instantly. 3 million actually. Now 4 million. Nearly. Not exactly, but no. Okay. So yeah. I wish Ethan would come back. He just doesn't want to talk at the moment. Or play. He just said he doesn't feel like it. Which is absolutely fine. I was going to do a March 18th episode. Which... for me it's March 19th because I didn't do it yesterday because I just got home from camp. But I might wait for another year. Just don't really feel like doing it at the moment. Yeah, for me it's March 19th, but for you guys it'll probably be March 18th. So yeah. Whew. Someone gave me a cloud and I'm about to fill up my backpack. So, I want to get this beamstorm. No, I missed out on my beamstorm. So many abilities. And done. That's all my pollen full. I'm going to use this now. I'm guessing that it will still convert all 29 million, but imagine if it only does 14 million. And it did all of it. Okay. So 34 million done, which is nice. So, I'll get a little bit more honey. Oh my god, 2 more minutes, seriously. 2 minutes exactly as well. Cloud Vial token. I can't get any more because I've already gotten it. Oh, I need you. Okay, there's 2 treats, 3 treats. Yay, the thing that might actually be special is still stuck in there. And I'll never know what it was. Unless I can clip through the wall with my thing. No, okay, I never know what it is. It's probably still time. 1 minute, 5 seconds. So annoying. Okay, 18 seconds. And now it's 9 seconds. And now it's... Okay, would you like to make an offering? 10 blue extracts. And it becomes cool and soothing, then motorbike uplifting, Cactus and rose, things I don't need. So, yeah. I wish there'd be some new bees in the ticket tent or something, or anywhere really, would be nice. So yeah, I think I'm just going to end the video now, because there's not really that much else that I want to talk about. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Why does this look way bigger than it used to? Yeah, and please be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button as hard as you can, comment down below anything. I love positive feedback and anything else like that. Any negative feedback's okay too, but positive feedback's way better. So yeah, I will... Oh, gifts. Please be good. Nope. No. Oh, I wanted to I wanted to end the video up there. I'm gonna end the video up there no matter what. Even if I have to go back in the cannon. And pass 2 players while I'm at it. How much have I done today? 506 million, and now how much have I done for here? 10.2 billion. So yeah. Goodbye.